Embracing tolerance, a key to unity and peace. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important and meaningful topic, embracing tolerance. Understanding this concept is not just beneficial for learning English but also for fostering a more inclusive and harmonious society. So, let's explore together what it means to embrace tolerance, why it's crucial, and how we can apply it in our daily lives. Tolerance is the ability to accept and respect the differences in others, whether they relate to opinions, beliefs, or practices that differ from our own. It's about acknowledging that everyone has the right to think and express themselves in their unique way, without facing discrimination or prejudice. But why is it important? Tolerance is the foundation of a peaceful and inclusive society. It helps us to build stronger, more understanding relationships with others, even if we disagree with them. It's about coexisting peacefully and respectfully, recognizing the value in our diverse world. Embracing tolerance goes beyond merely tolerating differences. It involves actively supporting and promoting an environment where diversity is celebrated. It's about listening to others with an open mind, seeking to understand perspectives different from our own, standing against discrimination and prejudice, encouraging discussions and exchanges that foster mutual respect. To embrace tolerance is to actively participate in creating a world where everyone feels valued, respected, and understood. The impact of embracing tolerance can be profound. It leads to enhanced social cohesion, communities become stronger and more united, increased innovation and creativity, diverse perspectives lead to new ideas and solutions. Reduced conflict, understanding and respect reduce tensions and misunderstandings. Improved mental health, acceptance promotes a sense of belonging and well-being. By embracing tolerance, we contribute to a more peaceful, dynamic, and compassionate world. Cultivating tolerance starts with self-reflection and education. Here are some practical steps. Educate yourself about different cultures, religions, and viewpoints. Reflect on your biases and work to overcome them. Practice empathy. Try to put yourself in others' shoes. Engage in open dialogue. Communicate respectfully and listen actively. Challenge discrimination and prejudice when you encounter it. Every small step towards tolerance can make a big difference in our communities and beyond. Thank you for watching our video on embracing tolerance. We hope it has inspired you to think about the importance of tolerance in your life and how you can actively contribute to a more inclusive, respectful, and peaceful world. Remember, embracing tolerance is not just about accepting differences. It's about celebrating them and recognizing the strength they bring to our societies. Let's all strive to be more tolerant and open-minded every day. See you in the next video.